Hello and welcome back to Imagine Your Odyssey. Have you ever thought about when it may be a good time to wash the top of your rig or your camper or your RV? Well, for me, I like to try to wash mine at the beginning and the end of every season. That's usually around the springtime and the fall time. So today I'd like to take you through a quick demonstration of how I'm going to wash mine. So the type of things that I'm going to use is this soft bristle brush right here. It's soft, it's pliable, and won't ruin the top of my rig. Now the top of my rig has a rubber style overlaid laminate. If not treated carefully, it can create a lot of damage. Another thing that I gotta watch for on mine is where I walk. I don't have a rigid support underneath mine, so I gotta be really careful so that I don't damage anything that's underneath of it or anything inside of the camper itself. Now as far as soap that I'm gonna wash it with, I like to use this stuff here. It's Murphy's soap oil. The way that this soap is made so that it won't disturb or damage the top of this type of roof. So follow me as I go through the time lapse of washing the top of my rig, and afterwards we'll talk a little bit more as we finish up this video. I hope you enjoy. Alright, now the roof is all done. But before you wrap up everything and put everything away, you need to go to the outside of your rig and look on the walls. You need to make sure that they're all clean as well. The material makeup of the roof itself can leave a white chalky residue on the outside of your rig. If it does, you need to make sure that you wash it completely so that you can get all that white chalkiness off of the rig. If you don't, it will stay. All you got to do is take the same brush that we used on the roof to wash the side. Now what I used, wash and wax. It's a type of soap that has the wax built in, so that when you get done washing, you get this nice, shiny, clean look. Now even though the video doesn't show the contents in its entire length, the whole process from washing the top, washing the sides all the way around, and making sure that everything's clean, and then putting everything away only took me about an hour and a half. Now as for a recap, the products that we used today was a bristle brush, Murphy oil soap, and a wash and wax. If you're interested in purchasing those products, please look in the description below. The links for those will be available there. Now if you have any other methods that you like to use to clean your rig, please share those in the comments below so that we can share that with our community. And before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe and click on that little bell so that you get notifications for any upcoming videos. And as always, keep safe and God bless.